good for me to eat. Lots of coal making lots of heat. Warm face, warm hands, warm feet, oh, wouldn't it be lovely? Oh, so lovely sitting absolutely still. I would never budge till spring crept over me windowsill, someone's head resting on my knee, warm and tender as he can be, who takes good care of me.